How much are the shoes? What are you asking for it? I'm jamming out in the garage. I hear Biggie playing. It's my type of yard sale, all right?
Been selling my stuff a wrong price. I'm gonna get it back.
Payback, right? The rush to get it all set up before people start showing up, right?
No. Starts at 7 and you're not the first person.
Yeah, I believe it.
6:50 was the first vehicle stopping on
Keep an eye out for stadium giveaway bobbleheads for minor league teams, especially mascots. They're usually limited to 500 to 1,000. This is actually the minor league team for Atlanta Braves single A. I got the one bobblehead. How much is the bobblehead?
What'd you say for that one?
Which one is that one? Is that the...
That's the one that was filmed.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that one's 8.
8? Okay.
Yeah, that's the initial one.
Appreciate you.
Cheers. Bunch of Christmas stuff. How you guys doing today? Doing good. How much are the shoes?
I'm actually
shopping. You're shopping. I'm sorry. $3?
These two items. The tray and
So $3 for the shoes. That's a $2. What do we got in here? Forest States. Stupid is as stupid does. Forest States. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you have $2 on the hats? I have 7. Would you take 10 for this 7?
yeah, for sure.
Okay.
10 for the hats.
You get the best job in the house. Handle all the money.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, look at that puppy. Friendly?
Yes. I don't have. You want me to go get some more biscuits?
Hi.
You got a visitor.
Hi. Oh my God, so cute. I know. Listen, I look at his shoes. I was like, oh man, you're lucky you get a cute dog. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I hate cowboys.
Oh,
I
get
know.
him out of here.
We just had a conversation. This keyboard is cool.
I have some out of
It's cool, man. The gaming keyboards.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You get any other gaming stuff?
I was gonna get my game going after, man, but I couldn't find it no more because it wouldn't spread out. I didn't want to put no water in it, so I normally spread out.
Yeah, you're fine, man. You are so cute.
Not anything that I really want to get rid of.
Okay. How much are the clothing?
Second.
How much are like the shirts and stuff like that? Like these golf shirts?
Yeah, they're fine. I think.
They're 5 pieces. Shoes.
What are you gonna do for me?
You play ball at FSU? I just saw the bowl stuff, and that's usually... Oh, okay. Awesome, man. Yeah, I played ball up in Pennsylvania. Hi, man. I got a bunch of stuff here.
Thank you. Okay.
I think, I see here, 1, 2, 12, 13, plus the gaming keyboard. That'd be 75. Would you do 60?
60 a deal.
Cool, man. And you want your hangers back, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, no problem. Good morning. How much are your shoes? Yes, how much are they?
$5.
Okay.
Those are size 12.
Yeah. I love the On Clouds.
Oh my God, they're
Most amazing thing
in
ever.
good shape.
Yeah, they're in great shape.
Yeah.
I'll take these.
Okay.
How much are golf clubs?
I was gonna do $40 on those.
Was that for everything?
Yes.
Would you do 30 for it all? Okay. And then I owe you 15 for the shoes?
Yep.
So 45. There's the 5. I owe you 40 more. 20. So there's 20.
Oh, those are great.
I know, they're amazing. My wife works as a nurse. She used to wear Hokas and like everything else. And then she got the On Cloud. She's like, I'm not going back to anything else. Good morning. How are you guys doing today?
Wonderful. How are you?
Doing excellent. Doing excellent. What exactly is this?
Sorry.
Is this for the window? Or was trying to figure out what these were.
That's men's stuff right there.
Oh, okay.
Henry, what's this horse thing?
What are you asking? What are you asking for it?
What?
Oh, okay.
That's a bra.
Gotcha. What are you asking for it?
Give me $10.
$10.
You're not selling my car.
Jamming out in the garage. I hear Biggie playing. It's my type of yard sale, all right? The Callaway bag. Yes, sir. 15. And then what are you asking for the clubs?
Water 35, I take 54.
54 more. Let's see what else you guys got here. Oh. These are the older bags, right?
Yes.
I thought so. It's like haven't seen these in a long time. That's cool. Hartman.
Yeah, that used to be.
That used to be like the bags to get. Yeah.
Thank you so
for
much.
that. I never see the garment bag. That one's interesting.
Good shape.
Yeah.
All of those.
How do you think these are?
Huh?
How old do you think those?
Probably,
30 years?
no, not quite that
Not
old.
that quite that old.
15.
15.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, like, the style you just don't really see it that much anymore. Yeah. What are you guys asking for them?
Make me an offer on all three.
I don't know if I want all three. Are you selling as a pair or are you selling individual?
I can sell them individually.
Maybe the garment bag? What are you asking for it?
15.
15. Would you do 10 on the garment bag?
Yeah.
Okay. You have change. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably pass on these ones, but this one I'll definitely buy.
Been selling my stuff a wrong price. I'm gonna get it back.
Payback, right? I love it. All right, man. You have a good day. Thank you. How much is he giving you for all that stuff?
Mike's buying them.
For how much? How much? 30? I'll give you 50.
Yeah,
We were asking 50.
You know, I'm just messing. I'm just messing.
35.
Yeah.
This is this is one. This one.
I don't claim him in public.
Who's claiming you?
Yeah, say it's his fault.
How about a fish tie?
I was just looking at that. I was like, what is going?
Really? I'm just really attracted to this fish. And nobody likes them, poor thing.
How much is the fish tie?
I think $1.
$1. You should throw it in there and tell me he owes 30. This is what you do when he comes back. Say I want 36, and just put the fish thing in
you
there.
know what? I'll pay you the extra $1 and tell him he has to pay it.
Yeah,
won't
there we
even
go.
give him the option.
So sweet.
Yeah,
We won't even
absolutely.
give him the option, and then be like, it was actually 36.
You are awesome.
There we go.
Awesome.
Because I could tell that you love that and that it needs to be
I
gone.
really did. I was
So.
and I was going to get in trouble if I kept it.
Everybody kept looking at it. We're like $1, and like, oh.
It's a conversational piece. What do you have on this one right here?
I think it's just $1.
$1. I can do that. So what are you gonna put on next? Here we go. Here's your next fish tie to wear.
Do you think that's the next one?
That's well, it is a fish one, right?
Oh, is it? Oh, it is.
There you go. There we go.
Thank
There you
you
go.
so much.
See, you're welcome. Do you guys have more Disney stuff? What can we do for these things here? What do you guys got on these?
I'll sell you all of those for,
Disney Cruises, nice.
yeah, how about
I'll take it. I don't know. I don't even know what she said, but I'll take.
$3?
Okay. I was like, oh wait a minute, I'm gonna get myself in trouble. I was like, this is gonna go either really good or really bad.
Sure, you guys are friends.
There you go. Oh, that's cool. You too. Yeah, that's a concert shirt.
If you're into YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. They went to the concert.
Huh. What do you have on this one?
I think it's $1.
$1. You know what? I'll give you $1.
Oh, you're awesome. Thank
Hey,
you.
thank you.
Open up your little bag.
This bag was
Right here.
$1.
No, not the bag. The bag was a freebie.
Yeah.
Mike, do you like your little extra?
Put it on. Let's see how it looks.
It looked almost like a penis.
How much is the purse? $2. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'll give you $2 for it.
Well, thank you much.
Thank you.
Want a bag?
I'm good, thank you though. Because I don't walk around holding on to the purse. Yeah. Oh, you think that's funny?
I'm like, oh, he's carrying a purse.
What? It's not my style? You're saying I don't look good?
Darn it. I'm telling him he's carrying a purse.
She's telling me I can't be walking around carrying the purse.
What is walking?
She's not here. She's back home. So it looks even worse now, right?
Kansas, he's scared. I'm watching.
I'm good. Still open for yard sale?
How's it going?
Good. How are you guys doing today? How much is a pencil?
$40 for the apple.
You knew that, but what not?
Open,
but
probably not. I know it's lower than what would you consider 25 for the?
No, because
No,
I,
okay.
I had an offer for 35.
Okay.
Down.
No problem.
It's a good. I mean,
No,
that's
it's
a
not.
good deal.
Yeah.
How much for your boombox?
On this one right here. Man, this would look great at my house.
It wouldn't. I actually agree with you.
Here you go, bro.
I don't know. I mean, I don't even know if it's good.
How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. Dave?
Dave.
Oh my gosh, I watch you.
Hi, thank you for watching me. Appreciate that.
I apologize in advance. Yep, sorry.
Yep.
Patty.
Patty.
Oh yeah, that's
Nana from Peter
yeah.
Pan.
Oh
I
yeah.
saw her across the way.
I didn't even notice that. You want it?
No, dude, that's all you.
Okay. That's
ADHD.
get $5 for the boombox.
Cassette player doesn't.
Oh, cassette play doesn't work. Oh, gotcha.
Just
Just
dance.
Dance 3.
Just
Oh,
Dance.
shipping boxes. Here we go.
I know, I saw those. So, were you selling on eBay
A
yourself?
little bit.
I was like, if you know who Dave is, so you learn how to do everything incorrectly.
Question,
But-
do you recognize me? Do you know who I am?
I feel like I've seen you, but I can't
Okay,
remember.
I'm not even with these guys, so I can be super cheap. What's the best we can do on this?
You probably saw him from How to Catch a Predator, the TV show. Are these new?
We're looking for items that sell for around 800. Very easy to list that you're looking to let go for a sale.
I will, how much are these, the shoes?
I
Sandal?
think I have 5 on them.
That's cool. I'll take them. I may just give, if I don't resell them, actually I'm probably just gonna give my stepson. Requires 3 buttons, face changes and colors. Oh. And these,
6x6. Those are narrow.
what are you, ma'am?
Yeah, no, that's what I think.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
$9.
Thank you. Would you like the bag?
Yes, please.
For a dollar?
Oh, give her $1 so you can,
works.
yeah.
I've used it.
Well, yeah, I was asking y'all, like,
Well, then I'm gonna buy it because
you passed on
there we
it.
go. I didn't pass on it. Dave picked it up, and he's like, check out the whole speaker. It's awesome. And then buy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is actually the last day of the Flea across Florida. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's like a 250-mile sale across the entire top of Florida. We end up hitting up a bunch of community sales. You guys see me, I don't usually buy a lot of clothing, but you know, when you come across these great deals on like the Nike Dry Fit polos and like the On Cloud shoes, the Hokas, for $5 a piece, you need to jump all over them. Well, that's the best thing about picking because you never know what you're gonna come across. It's great to keep expanding your knowledge and learning what's out there. One of the biggest reasons why I like to go picking with other pickers because I get to pick their brains and see what they're buying. This wraps up the end of the Flea across Florida. You guys probably saw about 4 or 5 videos from it, so I can't wait till the next one. I am definitely gonna be going out there and hitting that sale up. I'm going to be back on Whatnot this week on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm part of the Philly Flippers Community Yard Sale, which is going to be a big raid train. We're going from seller to seller each hour. So come check it out. Great deals. If you guys are new to Whatnot, you get $15 just for signing up. I'll put the link down in the description down below. You guys don't have to come buy anything, but come hang out. Also, guys, make sure you guys do like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.